Hi guys!
Hi.
So, meron pong dumating na parcel. Ayan. Open na siya ni baby. Kasi parang para po kay baby yan. Wow! Ayan. Galing po siya sa Try and Review. Nutriboost. May pinadala po si Nutriboost na parcel. Okay. Wait, baby. This is the ingredients. Hindi niya pa natatry ang Nutriboost. Kasi yung madalas niyang i-order, pero nag-yogurt drink pa siya. Ayun niya palang po matatry ang Nutriboost. Very specific sa baby. Excited ka na ba, baby? Ha?
Yeah.
Ang tagal na neto eh. Ngayon lang. Kasi naging busy po kami lately. Wow! And... Actually, umiinom siya ng yogurt drink na hindi malamig. You like to taste it na hindi pa siya malamig? Ha? Lagay muna natin sa ref.
Yeah.
Be careful. Wow! May 6 pieces Nutriboost. Ayan. Anong flavor?
Strawberry.
Oh, you put it in the fridge muna, ha?
Which one?
You like to taste one, ha? Oh, kasi it tastes good eh, no? Strawberry. Di ba you love strawberry also?
You told me it was mixed with blueberry too.
But you have to put the other para ma-taste din ni Kuya. Wow! Nutriboost, strawberry flavored. Drink with milk plus nutrients. Calcium plus vitamins B3 and E plus zinc. 110 ml po ito. Perfect siya sa yung mga pangbaon-baon ng mga kids. Kasi di ba minsan pag sobrang laki naman niya, hindi na uubos ng mga bata. So ito, perfect size lang po siya. So, te-taste na po ni baby, ni Cara, yung Nutriboost. Ito yung mabilis dapat ang consumption mo kasi yung paper straw siya.
Yeah.
Yan. Nutriboost. How's the taste?
Walking.
It tastes strawberry. Sarap. Parang mas masarap siyang ice candy. Hindi, masarap siya. Masarap na, baby. You like it?
Yeah.
Is it perfect for baon at school?
Yeah, but it has to be cold.
Yeah, we will put it in the fridge. Tapos, taste ulit natin the next time, ha? Okay, say bye-bye, Nay. You tell them na they buy Nutriboost. You like the taste of it.
Yes.
You like the taste of it?
Yes.
You tell them, okay, you buy Nutriboost. It tastes good. Wala na, inubos niya na, guys. So, yun lang po. Thank you, Nutriboost. Perfect siya sa baon ng mga kids. Very healthy. Tapos, ewan ko lang, not sure kung may ibang flavors nito. Pero yung strawberry, nagustuhan ni Cara. So, yun lang po, guys. Bye!